Alright, got the Weathertech window deflectors, front and rear for the 2003 Tahoe. Of course, you get the passenger side, front and rear deflectors, and the 4 clips for the rear windows. Right, per the Weathertech instructions, number 1, make sure windows are clean and dry, then lower windows halfway. 2, slide forward into window channel. Ensure edge rests on top of outer windowsill. 3, bow the deflector outward. 4, insert rear edge, leaving a gap at the top. Well, let's try it. Alright guys, instructions say window all halfway down. I roll it all the way down to give it a little more flexibility over here in this corner. Alright, all the way down tight on the lower gasket. Now I can feel the rubber trim in there. I'm just going to let this hang for a minute. Actually, I'll tuck it on the top to where it doesn't move and show you. Alright, now pull it down, getting this flange behind the back trim. And raise that up like so. And she's pretty good. I think it's going to be fine just like it is. And I will help the window around the perimeter of the gasket as I roll it up and down through here and over in there. So now let's roll it up easily. Watch the transition point here. Up toward the top. Alright, so on to the rear. It says open rear windows. Please begin installation with driver's side. So we're on the driver's side rear. Peel back the weather strip molding in the upper left hand corner. We'll do that. Alright, it says to peel back the weather stripping from the upper left corner. The easiest way to do it's from the inside out. So grab that. Just let it kind of hang. Alright, step 2. Place the retainer exactly 17 5/16 as measured from the top of the plastic weather strip at the base of the window to the center of the protrusion on the clip. So 17 5/16. So get the center of the clip 17 5/16. Of course, here's the clip. It goes over the flange like so. And (17 5/16). Up a hair. Alright, we'll start there and see how it goes. Okay, now it says to push the weather stripping back in place. Okay, now to the back window. So there's a subsection for Chevy Suburban, GMC Yukon, and then Chevy Tahoe and GMC Yukon and crew cab pickups. So we'll go with the second. So the next thing we'll do is pull back the weather strip upper right hand corner of the driver's window opening and insert the retainer clip onto the exposed metal flange of the window frame. So let's do that. Try and get to it easier. Okay. Now we need to measure up 15 1/8 exactly from the top of a plastic weather strip. And here's the clip. Alrighty. Plastic weather strip to 15 1/8. Gotta come up. And it's all, that's close. We'll have to, directions on these things suck, and the way the window frame is bending, there's no way you can get a proper measurement on that. We're just gonna have to make it work. Alright, so there's no way you're gonna get that stuff 15 1/8 perfect. Due to the curvature, the way to measure, some people are probably going to be on the rubber down here. The directions are really not very good at all. But we got it at what it says the best we could. Now we're just going to work it in. Alright, next step, put the molding back into place. Let's do that. Okie dokie, there we go. And we'll just do everything at once. I'll go on and read the rest of the directions. Grasp the rear end of the deflector firmly with both hands and bow the deflector just until you can insert the tip of the rear retainer into the hole on the deflector. And we'll go on and do that. Alright, so here's the hole in the front. Tuck it up and like so. There we go. Work it up under the trim and get on this other side. Alright. I'll work this one into this hole, right? Like so. Alright. Show you here. There it is. Alright guys, got the Tahoe done. Bug deflector and the rain guards. I think it's looking pretty good.